Here's DiVine video app. So this is a new app. Jack Dorsey funds DiVine, a Vine reboot that includes Vine's video archive. As generative AI content starts to fill social apps, a project to bring back Vine's 6-second look in video is launching with Twitter's co-founder Jack Dorsey backing. So you remember there was this viral Vine app before like kind of YouTube Shorts and before TikTok. So it kind of was the main ancestor of TikTok, but then it was shut down for some reason. And now it's being restored, so you can find it. In the web version, you can log in with Noster account, or you can download iOS app Test Flight, but Test Flight is basically full. But the web version is quite glitchy. You can see all of the archived videos back from 2015, 2014. It's crazy. You can just find them. Some of the videos are loading. You can see video list. You can see hashtag Explorer. You can see about open source proof mode. You can see your account. Again, you can log in with Noster. And then just tap on it. You can follow some profiles. It's quite glitchy on the web. Probably it's because it was just kind of released. And yeah, so that's just what you have. Again, iOS app will be later. So that's just what you're having. And that's the idea.